Welcome to the Hub of Analytics Education, preparing students for the future, millions of records at a time. The Hub of Analytics Education is located in Boston, Massachusetts.
My name is Charlie Bay Maldron, one of the co-founders of the Hub of Analytics Education. The objective of today's video is to learn how to create a new calculated variable in a table. The business intelligence tool that we're going to be using today is ACL. ACL is predominantly used by internal and external auditors as well as risk management professionals. What you're going to need from the Hub of Analytics Education are a lot of files. You're going to need the beginning inventory file, ending inventory file, the purchase price file, the sales file, and the purchase file. Once you have all of those files and your license for ACL, we can get started.
All right, we're back here in ACL. And in our last video, we joined two tables with the ending inventory file as well as the purchase price file. And now we want to use this file to maybe create a new variable. So in this file, there's something that's missing. And to me, that is exactly what my total cost is for each of these inventory items. So how am I going to get that? Well, I want to multiply the on hand times the purchase price. And that's all I really want to do here. So we're going to go, and there's a couple of ways. There's one way of really doing this here that's easy. And that's right-click on up here and add a column. And that's all we really want to do is add a column. And we have an add column box that pops up. So in this particular case, we don't want to add any columns here, right? We don't have any additional tables, right? Everything is just, this is a table by itself. So we want to add a column, and it wants to be a calculated column. So we're going to go down here, and we're going to go to our expression writer. Now, the expression that we're going to be using is pretty simple. But I wanted to point out all the different functions that exist here. There are conversion functions, financial functions, math, Python, R functions, string functions. String functions are really interesting. You can actually trim your data, look for the middle part of your data, split it, transform it, get the upper part of it. There's a lot of interesting different kinds of functions that exist here. We're just going to do a simple math function. We just want to take our on hand times our purchase price. Just that simple. So we're going to click on hand. We're going to take a look at our operators that we have here. In this case, times. And then we want to multiply by the purchase price, which is down here. We always want to verify to make sure that our expression is valid. In this case, the expression is valid. And I want to save this variable as a specific descriptive variable. And let's call this inventory cost. And that's it. It's just this simple. We're going to hit OK, and then hit OK again. And now we have the inventory cost. I can now sum up the inventory cost to see whether or not this agrees to my balance sheet. This at least makes sure that the client has given me all of this data, and the data does agree with the amount of money that they have on their general ledger or in their financial statements for total inventory cost. Thanks for watching the Hub of Analytics Education video series. The Hub of Analytics Education provides open educational resources to educators around the globe, supporting both higher education and secondary education. For more information, please visit our website at hubae.org.